guys, it's Lexy and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be trying out this Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. I've actually never tried a lip plumper before. We'll see. If you guys like this video and want to see more videos from me about beauty, fashion, lifestyle, trying out different products in those areas, challenges, night routines, then you guys should subscribe to my channel. The link is down below and click that notification bell next to it so you can always be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up so that I know that you like it and want me to do more. Comment down below what you think. Follow all the rest of my social media while you're down there in the description. Make sure you guys watch the whole video to see the results, and all the products used in this video will be linked in the description box as always. If you want to purchase anything that I used in this video, let's get into the video. All right guys, so this is the lip plump. I don't know why I can't speak. Anyways, so the lip plumper I'm going to be trying is this Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Increases volume, hydration, and smoothness, and it's a clear gloss. It says so right there. And then on the back it says instant plump, and then it has long-term benefits: 51% hydration, 15% plumpness, 13% firmness, 11% softness, and it has like a little before and after thing after 30 days. I don't know if I'm gonna try it out for 30 days. I want to see if there's like an immediate result because it says instant plump on the back. So I think I'm just gonna try it out for today. If it works, maybe I'll try it for the 30 days and update you guys on the vlog channel or on my social media, so make sure you're following me. Let's just open this baby up and see what we've got here. Okay, so I was taking the tape off and it like ripped off some of the coloring. Ooh, okay, so this is what it looks like. I think there's like an instruction thing in here. Okay, yeah, these are kind of instructions. And they show like lip colors. Alright, so according to the little insert here, it says, not just any lip plumper, no stings attached. So that's good. I've heard that lip plumpers sting. Infused with Volulip and hyaluronic acid, Grande Lips is a hydrating lip plumper that gives you an instant plump in 3 to 5 minutes. I have to leave this on for 3 to 5 minutes, plus long-term benefits. When used twice daily for 30 days, this clinically proven formula will produce an overall increase in lip hydration, volume, softness, and firmness. Made in the USA, paraben, gluten, and cruelty-free. That's good, I like cruelty-free stuff. Beauty tips. Be sure to apply Grande Lips twice daily for 30 days in order to obtain your lasting long-term benefits. Don't be alarmed if you feel a slight tingling sensation. That's how you know Grande Lips is working its magic. Okay, so it said no stings, but then it says a slight tingling, so I guess that's not the same thing, but like it's the same thing. Did you know Grande Lips' unique sanitary cushion applicator easily wipes clean and feels smooth on the lips? How to. For best results, apply Grande Lips twice daily on clean, dry lips. I'm not wearing anything on my lips right now. You may apply throughout the day in combination with other lip products or alone. Continue to layer for your desired color. Okay, this is the clear one, so I don't think there's gonna be any color. And then it has it in Spanish or French. No, I think that's definitely Spanish. I'm glad to see, okay, that just fell on the floor. I'm glad to see my Spanish is not completely gone. It says there's a cushion. Let's see if I can open this. Which side do you open it on? I'm assuming it's here. Oh! Okay, so it just is kind of like... Okay, trying to focus. It's not working. There, that's what it looks like. It's clear, so you can't really tell. How do you get the product out of here? Does it twist up? Is this how you're supposed to do it? It didn't give me any instructions. Like, it said to use it twice a day, but like, I don't know what else to do. I think you have to push it. Oh, it clicks. Did you hear that? What the heck? Is there any product? I don't feel any product coming out. I don't feel anything coming out. Hello? Why? Come on. Like, at this point now I'm mad because it's not coming out. Oh, oh, look at that. There is product coming out of it. Okay, you can't even see. Look at that. It's like spewing out of it. Let's use my phone as like a mirror. Nope. Okay. Can I just use the camera? Okay, here we go. I got some of it on. That's like way too much. I don't think my lips look any bigger. Like 100%. I don't think my lips are any bigger than when we started this video. We're gonna do 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so the timer has started. It's only been on like 2 seconds and it's already stinging. Like, it doesn't hurt, but I can feel it stinging. Okay, you guys, this kind of burns. Like, a lot. Oh my god. It's kind of stinging and my lips are now a pink color, which they're not normally. So I've got 3 minutes left. It's been like 2 minutes already? Wow, that's fast. I really want to drink some more of my Starbucks, but I don't think you can drink while your lips are trying to plump themselves. That's my alarm. So that was 5 minutes and it stings a little bit, and by stinging it like hurts a little bit. Do my lips look bigger? I have no idea. Do you take it off or do you just leave it? I think you just leave it. It says you can put lip products on it, so I'm going to try it, I guess. So this is my natural lips with just the lip plumper. I don't know why I can't say that, but we're going to be trying to put some regular like lipstick products on it. And so I have the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte, and this is in the color Current Nude. And then I also have Ballerina, and then they also have this cool, I just dropped it on the floor, CoverGirl Double Platinum Glitz in the same line of lip products. So I think we're gonna start with Ballerina and see what that looks like. These two shades like look almost identical. This one's just a little darker. They look almost the same in person. I'm not even joking. So we're gonna take a tissue, clean off the lip plumper. I think it will just go on smoother if the lip plumper's not there. Ballerina. Why is everything falling? Like my lips still hurt. It's like not a ton of product on this brush. So that's like not my best application, but here it is. Do my lips look any different? I don't see a difference at all. I'm not seeing a difference. And there's lipstick on my teeth. Cool. Should we try and put some liquid glitter on top? Gotta open this. Wow, this is like the same applicator as the lip plumper. Ooh, liquid glitter is wild, y'all. With the glittery gloss, I think it looks a tad bit bigger. Not enough to make a difference. Maybe you would just have to use it for like the 30 days like it says on the package, but it says instant plump and I don't see it. Let me know in the comments if you guys see a big difference, because I don't. This liquid glitter, it's kind of hard to apply. So that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did in the comments down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you want more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and click that notification bell that pops up next to it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Alright guys, so that was my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and let me know that you want to see more videos like this. And so you don't miss any of those videos, subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Stay to the end. I'm sure you like this video. Just to do it, it's free. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the... starting over. That was my...